back to our live stream. Welcome to our vibe coding session. I'm Kit and I'm your host tonight. Today we are diving into Supabase for Web3. What is Supabase? What is Web3? We will be discussing with our lead speaker, Henry. Also, hopefully, joining us today, we'll have Robert and Jordan. Um, who will be part of the discussion and of course help answering questions along the way if they're joining. I'll be helping you guys in the sessions as much as I can as well. This session is very beginner friendly, so you don't need any coding experience, just curiosity. um, what we'll cover here tonight is basically writing smart contracts with help from AI, deploying and testing a real smart contract using Supabase as backend, building a simple interface with Lovable, and debugging AI tools. If you have any question, make sure to drop them down in the chat below. We'll connect with us, through Telegram with a hashtag called Stay COTI. And with that, let's get started. Henry, why is Superbase um, good for Web3?
So, hello everyone. I'm Henry. I'm currently developer relation at COTI Foundation. So today I will introduce Supabase. So it's a powerful open source backend as a service designed to simplify backend development for web and mobile apps. Supabase offer a managed Postgres SQL database, instant API, real-time subscription, and easy user authentication, making it the go-to choice for scalable modern apps. And that's why we will go deep into Supabase today and try to build something that's leverage Supabase to build something for blockchain.
Okay, so to put it in simple terms, it's already organized database, login system, and everything. So you can start right away
Yeah.
without any preparation at the end, right?
Yes. Correct.
Great, fantastic. All right. Okay.
So I will share my screen.
All right. There you go.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So uh, I will we will cover something today. Furthermore, we will try to write smart contract super bank of this function. First of all, we will try to write smart contract. We
Mm-hmm.
will try to write a smart contract for minting NFT. Is a basic. And we will deploy it to uh, the COTI blockchain testnet. That is the first step. Then we will view a front end using Lovable and connect with smart contract and let the user mint NFT.
All
And
right.
we will use Supabase to lock every NFT mint thing, and we will building around an NFT okay. Uh,
Mm.
it will show all the
Mhm.
NFT, display all the NFT on the minted NFT. Okay.
Okay. Just quick question though. Why are we using Lovable today instead of Replit?
Okay. So we try a lot of AI tool, and I
Hmm.
think if each of them have a strong their strength. So I think Replit is a powerful tool for viewing building complete back end front end application. But with Lovable, we can build a strong front end application. So Lovable can do back end too, but I think the UI with of Lovable when it generate an application is better than another one. So
I see. So
one front
in
end with
terms of front end and user friendly, you think Lovable is much better than Replit?
yeah, and one another reason that I want to use Lovable because it have a function
Hmm?
that connect Lovable with Superbase. So it will be perfect for today live stream.
Ah, okay. So they have a function that actually connects, like that links together. So I think maybe they partner up on that
Yeah,
aspect.
I think so.
That's awesome. All right.
So I think we will get started now with Rise Smart Contract for minting NFT. So today I will using a standard ERC 721. Instead of private NFT, we try to terminal. Sorry, misclick. And further, I will create a new folder. So let's say COTI Supabase live stream. Okay. And then I will open with Visual Studio Code. Open new folder. Here we go. And I open the COTI Supabase live stream. That is, we'll zoom in a little bit. Today, to generate a smart contract, to write coding a smart contract, I use argument. So argument is a plugin. Uh, for it's AI coding agent. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
or
Argument. Okay.
argument. I think it's kind of strong with back end and smart contracting. Also, it have a context reading. It have a lot context. So when you come with a complex project, it can understand the whole code base um, efficiently and can give the solution correctly.
Okay.
I think it's a strength of argument code. It have a lot context.
So argument here is basically acting like, let's say, if you want to write a code on Claude or on Cursor, something like that, right?
No, is competitor cloud is yeah, it helps the cloud sonnet 4, but it will be competitor browser and cloud.
Okay. So what's the purpose of argument code for in for this project?
So I will use argument code for create a smart contract entity.
Okay.
So I will start by ask it to uh no I think I will create a BRD first, so
Okay.
it will be more efficiently. So when I view a project, I usually start with create a BRD. So I
Okay. So start with perplexity.
yeah, so I will ask Perplexity to write me an PID or PID for create a
Mm-hmm.
check is your min NFT, mutable NFT, and it's review on COTI blockchain, Segnet. Uh, I will just give it a lot of highlight and then it will create a PID for me. So I just typing everything I'm thinking of now. So everyone can min NFT. Anyone I want to add? I think that is.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make it simple, so it will be a mintable NFT smart contract. Anyone can go and min NFT, and it will be you on blockchain, COTI blockchain testnet. I think that it make it simple. Uh, So
Okay.
it could be mutable and it's smart contract is deploy mutable person is meeting basic metadata doesn't look anyone can person only event and the transfer contract deploy only event. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I think that is so. I will copy all of this PID and I will come back to the argument and paste here. I think I will give it a COTI blockchain documentation. COTI V2. I will give it the COTI testnet. Uh, information and come back to here. Basically, okay, that is, and press enter. So in argument we have the auto mode and manual mode. If I enable the auto mode,
Mhm.
you um, have me to run the terminal automatically. So it will be more efficient, but it will be more rich. So sometimes it will be run things that I don't want to. So
Okay.
I will turn it off and approve manually to make sure it's done. Let's say sometimes it can boost the security some environment into public, and you will be exposed the private key, and it will be very dangerous. So I recommend turn off the auto.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Henry, can you move the that part that you're working on to a little bit more to the right because yeah, I couldn't see what's happening in the chat bot.
See. I think because of I change the display to resolution to
Okay.
let me bit better.
Yes, better, much better.
Oh,
Oh, that's much better.
okay. So with argument, when you prompt into it, it will create a plan. So
Yep.
it's don't jump to going to start coding
Mm-hmm.
immediately, but it will create a little task. So you can see here it had it's created. They had like multi-agent to do things, so it had a reason to create a.
Mm-hmm.
So it's break into five tasks. First, set up project with hard factory and config COTI testnet, and then it develop a core multiple entity smart contract and testing smart contract and deployment and write documentation. So five tasks.
Okay.
Uh, Further, it asked me to init the project, so I approve. You can see start create a package transition here and install some Red Hat. So Red Hat is a tool for create a smart contract and deploy a smart contract
Mm-hmm.
with. I think I will enable auto mode for faster.
Yeah.
Nothing to lose now.
Might as well go all in.
So I think the most powerful thing of argument is the indexing code by. So it
Yep.
automatically indexing code by and make sure it understand 100% of the code by all the time. So it will give you a good suggestion in time.
Mm-hmm.
So it just start coding and I don't know. Sometimes it will be indexing code by, or you can manually click on indexing code by, and it will list all the code by view again. And now is init and we have init. Okay, so you need to open the terminal to see what happened here.
Okay.
So you can see in argument is okay. So it's too big. I need to zoom in a little bit. So
Okay.
Red Hat is released a version. Oh no, Red Hat is released a version. Red Hat 3 dot oh, yeah, it had two versions. It had 3 is a beta version recommend for new project, and
Yep.
had 2. I I will stick with had 2 because I be more familiar with it.
Okay.
And I will use JavaScript project Mocha.
Let me get this straight. Are we still on the so this is Superbase or is this argument?
Yeah, it's argument. It's a
Oh,
smart.
this is still an argument, right? Okay.
I want to create a smart contract first, and then
Okay, great. Also, you start off with smart contract. Once the smart contract's done, then we move on to Superbase.
yeah. So it's
Okay.
either I think the step 3 we
Okay.
we will have let's see, we will have a smart contract first. We define
Yes.
it, and then we write front end
Oh,
using,
then the Lovable, then Supabase,
then we connect the deliverable with Supabase.
and then from there we use Supabase to run the back end.
Yes, correctly.
Awesome. All right, I'm starting to get this. I'm starting to learn a lot.
So it's like first row you have a smart contract and it deploy
Mhm.
into blockchain, and then you need something to interact with blockchain. So
Okay.
user cannot like go into the explorer and
Hmm.
interact with smart contract. They need the UI. So that's why we need the front end. It's built
Okay.
by Livable and Livable. So user go to front end, interact
Yep.
with blockchain. But then thing happen if we have a lot of data. Let's say
Okay.
1,000 NFT, you cannot like go to the smart contract and call to look
Yep.
all the NFT. Wherever user go to the NFT is okay. So we want to something that's make it easier. So that's why we need a backend.
Okay.
When
How do you link smart contract into this, or do we create smart contract just to get front just to get the front end into the blockchain?
smart contract will be something that store data into blockchain.
Okay.
We store the data into blockchain, and front end is the way user can interact with their smart
Okay.
to look that data. But uh, we will save also save the data into our database to make it the query will be faster.
Okay.
People can see all the NFT faster than we do it on
Uh,
blockchain. So basically, we can query directly from blockchain to have all the NFT.
uh-huh.
It will be very slow and bad UIs. So that's why we need the backend to store for it.
And by back end, that means back end is
Anyway,
super base,
I,
right? So front end is lovable, back end is super base.
yeah, and blockchain
Okay.
is something we are doing now. Uh,
Okay. All
so
right. So blockchain is basically smart contract.
it create smart
Create
contract.
smart contracts in blockchain.
So it's using counter dot zone. I believe that this group is error because OpenSea doesn't have that counter dot zone. This will be fixed. Let me think.
Okay.
Let's see, it inherit from ERC 721 that I mentioned about in the first place. Let me change it. Yeah, okay. So it's a mintable NFT smart contract, and it have a mint function. We put in
Mhm.
and metadata UI. So the image of the NFT usually it will be uploads into some web decentralized storage like in
Mhm.
a Web3 storage, and you will get IP address, and then when minting you put into the metadata UI. So you can think it's like if you have the link of the NFT or the
Mhm.
information like the NFT image link, the metadata. Like
Mhm.
when you have the NFT, maybe it has some trail like uh, what's the color, what's the background color, and what is the rarity. Is
Mm.
all the data will be stored on the metadata UI.
Ah.
So it will have like uh, the trail. And we have contractor here. Contractor here is something will be in it when we start some.
Constructor is a
So
constructor, right? Okay,
the
constructor.
contractor is will be we will be defined when we start we deploy smart contract. So we will have
Okay.
the NFT. Is not the NFT. It's a collection name, collection symbol, the must supply, and base UI. And then minting, min is min NFT, and min2 is to min to another thread, and batch min. Okay, so is it the function I don't. I don't ask it to do, but it adding to me is a bad mean. So bad mean it minting a lot of NFT at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Batch mean too, so it's allow 20 NFT at the same time. A lot. And says by URI owner mean. Um, okay, so it have two mean function. One
Mm-hmm.
is mean two and one is owner mean. I think with owner mean is not require me to pay any NFT.
Can you explain what is min function?
Mean function is you minting a new NFT.
Uh
So
huh.
you have a collection, but you have to mint NFT for uh, the recipient. So that's why you need the mint function. I will,
Okay.
let me check. At, let me edit it. So it adding the patch mean. So it's a minting function, but it will allow you to mint up to 20 NFT at the same time. Batch mean, yeah.
So okay, so it's like minting coin, creating coins, correct?
It's different between coin and NFT. So let me show you. So coin or token is a fungible token. So
Uh huh.
fungible token, every token is the same. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
I mean 1,000 token, and I send to you 100 token. All the token are the same. It's a fungible token, but NFT is a non-fungible token. So
Ah.
e- every token we mean is unique. It had a unique ID, and you had a unique ID, and it's not like we have the collection. We have a big collection,
Okay.
but all the NFT in here is different. Let's say I have 1,000 NFT, but on every one of those NFT is different. You have unique ID, you have unique chain. What is that is the difference between the NFT and the token. Token,
Okay.
the fungible token. NFT is non-fungible token.
Non-fungible token. Okay, got it.
When we come back. Okay, so I see it finishes the smart contract and start to combine. So it's the step you have to do before you deploy smart contract. You combine it. It has some error. Only support ES and project. Okay. So it's now ready to head three
Mm-hmm.
on state. So install I had two. So you can see here
Mm-hmm.
is finish the smart contract. We have smart contract here, and it try to compile and deploy to COTI blockchain testnet. Uh, IPFS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it runs. It finished write the test case already. So
Mm-hmm.
you have a lot of test case here: deployment, meeting, batch meeting, supply management, owner function, utility function. So it has assessment specific. That's true. Yeah.
All right.
Mhm. So it is past 18 test case and
Mm-hmm.
two is failing test case, and now it update to pass uh, the two left test
Mm-hmm.
case, the left two test case. A lot of work, but not by me.
Got it.
So yeah,
AI is doing all the work. Oh, AI is doing all the heavy lifting. Yeah.
buy successfully, and it writes test case. You can see it's write a test case here. So
Yep.
it's give it a name, a symbol,
Mm-hmm.
modify, and start deployment, minting. Should mean to specific address, should increment token ID. So it is very important. So
Mm.
every time you write smart contract, you make sure to write a test case to make sure it will be working correctly. Let's see.
So, quick question, Henry. What is one challenge beginners usually face when they try to build Web3 apps?
Uh,
It could be frequently asked questions, or basically common mistakes that usually happens in uh, to beginners.
yeah, I think mostly is about security. Um,
Okay.
Coming from my side, because writing smart contract is sometimes is
Hmm.
very dangerous. So let's say
Yeah.
you write a smart contract for DeFi,
Mm-hmm.
and you got complex over time. And if some of your code is going to exploit, or
Mm-hmm.
it will be not safe.
Ah,
Right? Then
usually, right.
and
That's why. That's
like,
why you need privacy, aka COTI. That's a
correct.
CTA for you.
Correctly. Yeah, you can see it's deploying society.
Mhm.
So we have a thread here.
Yep.
It's so quick. Oh, no,
Okay.
it deploy on local. Now we have to deploy on COTI internet. So to do that, we need a wallet.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see, COTI first thing. Let me create a new wallet and
Mm-hmm.
start to faucet it. V0 encrypted. Okay, so we go to this website again. So is you can do MetaMask, but usually I use this to create a new COTI account. So normally I should not show that private key, but
Mm-hmm.
so I will just only use this to deploy that smart contract.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah.
you
You
say
need to keep it safe.
with its public key, you need to fund the account. To fund the account on
Mm.
COTI, you copy that
Yep.
and open the faucet. Oh, the faucet is down. I think it's on Discord. You have to go to Discord channel and let me find the link to Discord. Open. Loading. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it is the link. You copy. Yeah, sorry, I couldn't say. Oh, I think faucet is not working now. But don't worry, I have some GoTee I can send to this account. So let me send it. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Send to Mars 0.9. Yeah, I have two GoTee here. I will send to this account to GoTee. Confirm. Let's see. GoTee testnet. Go again to see if it going through. Yeah, we have two GoTee here.
Okay.
So we have GoTee to when you deploy smart contract, you need some native token to pay
Mm-hmm.
the gas fee. So that's why you need to process some GoTee token. So I just sent two GoTee to this thread.
Yep.
And now I will copy this and yeah, you don't understand it. So I go to NV and I will add the private key here
Okay.
and then I will try to deploy it. No, I will ask it to deploy for me. Deploy for me. I config the private key on domain. Okay.
What's dot e? What is it? ENV, right?
Yeah. .nv environment.
ENV. Okay.
So we usually we store the sensitive information on .nv,
Okay.
and
So basically, you don't show the information on that. You just mention that okay, they need to use the .nv instead of showing all the information.
yeah, correctly.
Okay.
And make sure on the git ignore you will have
Hmm.
the git ignore file. You put the .nv to not put the sensitive information on .nv into GitHub and or anything else.
Makes sense.
So make sure to check the git ignore.
Definitely,
You
definitely.
confirm to deploy. Yes, enter deploying.
Okay.
Yes, okay, have some. I think it has the and the code and the confirmation password confirmation. Let's see. I will send it there. Why we see testnet go to testnet. No network. Yeah, yeah. Copy that. Paste. Mhm. So till now we finish smart contract and start deploying into COTI blockchain testnet.
Okay.
It take time. Create a deploy dot JHat. As you can see here, it had contract name. The name is COTI Mutable NFT. The symbol is CMNT, and the mass supply is 10,000 NFT. And is deployed. Confirm. Yes. Executing. Yeah, it's for the state. It's trying to do. It's still trying to let me clear application. Waiting for AI. Yeah, stop bending. Look. Just okay. It's because the gut.
Okay.
So if you got right to train keyword.
I think you're lagging, Henry.
See my
I
screen?
can. It's just very laggy and a little bit blurry. Okay, it's better now.
I think because internet connection. Let me see.
Maybe it's because is it because you're deploying the smart contract?
I don't think so. Yeah, we have the transaction house and let me give me a little bit. Yeah, we have contract.
Hmm.
Okay, so we have
The
transaction.
contract is so tough that it's actually breaking up Henry's internet. Everyone.
So we have
That's
successfully.
how we roll. That's how we roll.
Yeah. So we finished the step one.
All
Of
right, fantastic, awesome. All right, so
the
so Okay. Um,
And I
it's
will try
so
to.
we finished step one as in we already completed deploying, is it? Or it's just finished writing smart contract?
Yeah, we finished step one. We write smart contract, testing it, and deploy it to COTI testnet.
Okay.
Yeah,
So then after this it's gonna be lovable and then super base, right?
yeah. But one more thing I want to do. I want to testing with one NFT.
Okay.
Uh, NFT to this red. Nah, I think I will go on to next step because we have
Mm-hmm.
a time. So we have this smart contract, and we will go to the deliverable. So what is a deliverable? Deliverable is a AI tool to create a website, application, anything.
Yep.
It can have us to create app and website by chatting with AI.
Okay.
But
So yeah, that's why it's connected, like it's partner up with Superbay because they work like hand in hand like that, because Lovable is front end and Superbay is back end, so like they
yeah,
work really
makes sense.
nice together, right?
Certainly. So I will. You can see here
Yeah.
when you click on. This is where you prompting. I want to be a business uh,
Okay.
something like that, and then you can see on the plus button here. You click on that, and you can see the connect database,
And then Super Base.
database
Okay.
entity. If I will authorize organization. Oh no, I will have to change it. Is my old
Wait, if you do this by connecting this to Super Base, does that mean you don't have to go to the Super Base link? You can work everything off of Lovable?
Yes,
Oh
correct.
wow, that's
It
that's that's, that's
gives
fantastic.
you a lot of prompt you can use.
Okay. So compared to Replit, if you work on Superbase and Replit, that means that you kind of have to like switch between Replit and Superbase and have kind of like copy paste the code, something like that.
I think I forgot that word.
That's all right.
I really said word. I'm using all the quarter of the current account. I had to use in another account for this slideshow.
Yes, we are draining your bank account, Henry. We're
Yes.
taking every dime out of it for this live for everyone to see.
Sign. Uh, yeah, I can continue with SO. Oh, yeah, we have SO single sign on.
Hmm.
Clearly, no SO system. No, it's not. It not allow us. Um, here, oh, email password forgot to sign up now. This email I will put here. So create a new account on Supabase.
Hmm.
Sign up. Password, sign up and confirm the account. Okay. Okay. Look like we have a new account here. We have a free reason first create organization. And yeah, server Asia will be best Singapore. Database password. No, I will not create a new. No, but yeah, good, good, good. Yeah, authorize. Yep, connecting. And now I create a new. Yeah, create new project. And that is we connect the database. Refresh it. project name will be NFT, and the credit was worth great.
Hmm?
Okay, now we go here connect with NFT project. Now I will be prompting the UI, so I have need to be our front end for this smart contract. Only no. I just want to make it simple.
Okay.
Uh, I will start with only main function. Function. Got it. Copy.
So now we're going to copy the smart contract.
Yep.
Okay. Whoa.
We will tell it.
Can I see how big is the contract? Like, I want to see how, like, how many
It
codes, like, how
is
big, like, how long's the code basically?
200 line. 200 line.
200 lines. So
Mm.
if you have to write that manually, I think that's gonna take days, probably weeks, maybe.
Yeah, I think it will take you 1 or 2 days to finish smart contract
Oh.
and also running testing. Connect
Yeah,
wallet.
with me it's gonna take years because I got zero knowledge. All
COTI. One,
right.
two,
Um,
two. I want
I
to tell that we will be using the COTI testnet.
yeah.
So is we create a connect wallet correctly. And then I will tell is we deploy it to uh, yeah, I think here, yeah, no, yeah, we have the smart contract transaction. Let's see, contract creation. Yeah, we done. Yeah, it's means successfully. So it's
Okay.
mean successfully. You can see on the token you have NFT. First, I will copy this contract. As you can see here, we create a contract code the NFT meter NFT. We go here and copy that contract reference. This is on is very important for Lovable to know. So if we deploy this smart contract to the credit. Okay, I think that's enough.
Hmm.
That is, why is it so weird? Uh, enter. Yo, okay. Now it's time for Lovable to work for.
Now now we wait for the magic.
Yeah, now we wait for the
Um,
magic.
all right. So, in your opinion, do you think for beginners, is Lovable easy to use enough to get started with?
Yes, I think so because Lovable have a UI friendly from beginner.
Mm-hmm.
You have the basically you have anything you want by prompting. So it have only prompting here, and you can ask on the
So comparing Lovable and Replit, which one do you think is how do you say? No, actually, I think that the best way to shape up the question is why is Lovable more favorable compared to Replit
yeah.
in general, not just in this case. Like why is that? Do you have an idea? Like, do you have an answer for that?
So I think it's my opinion. So I prefer the UI of the Lovable more than Replit. Replit will be more than like all-in-one
Okay.
solution for building applications. So it could be like it could be fine to build application, but it's not like quite as strong as one aspect. But Lovable, I think they do very great at the UI,
Okay.
and Argument is doing very great at the indexing code base.
Mm,
So I think each one have a very unique strength. And if you are beginner, you can use Replit. So it have all the thing you want. But if you want to want something more powerful.
Okay.
You can combine all the two with the strength. Let's say
Mm.
my preferred one is livable and cloud, or
Claude.
yes, or livable and argument. It will be
Okay.
in the front end and back end.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people prefer Cursor and Claude. Sometimes even Gemini. But like, I think the only reason they want Gemini because it's free. But a lot of people prefer Claude.
Yes,
Yeah, but
Cloud.
of course, I've seen Lovable. I've seen what they did, and they grew exponentially. Actually, the user rate
Which
for Lovable. Yeah.
I I have I think if you're using Cursor, you should using Cloud because it's also net for.
Mm, makes
And if
sense.
if you're using Cloud, it will be
Mm.
cheaper than using Cursor. Cursor is good the wrapper of the cloud, but it will be expensive for you.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like we have a question from Jordan. He says, "Hi. When it comes to vibe coding and smart contract as a beginner,
Oh,
what is the baseline for security measures that I should follow so that I don't may accidentally create something highly insecure?"
so uh, I think Davey had some interesting live stream about that, uh, about the security when you using vibe coding. So I firstly I want you to prefer to watch the live stream. Is very advanced, and if you cover all the questions you want about the security with vibe coding.
Mm-hmm.
And from my side, uh, uh, yeah, it's some tactic I usually do. First one is the rule. So when you're using the AI agent, it's always have the rule. You have the rule fine to ask it to not to do something or have to do something. So let's see on the argument code.
All right. Thank you, Jordan.
On the argument code, you have the argument dot markdown. With cloud, you have the cloud dot markdown, and you put all the rule you want here.
Mhm.
Secondly, you or like I said on the beginning of the live stream, you always have to look at the code, not approve a go to auto approve, and the AI will do all the thing for you.
Mhm.
Something it will be very dangerous. And finally, when you push code to GitHub repository and something, make sure to double check. And you can ask the AI do this for you. So you can prompting to AI like scan all the security issue, expose private key, something like that. And the AI will do the thing for you. So they check the security before it deploy push the code to the public. I think cloud has something like that. So it's called sub agent.
Mhm.
So you can basically a sub agent is you assign a task for an agent to do. So you can create a sub agent called security checking, and you add a hook. A hook is when this sub agent will be calling. So you add a hook when after you finish the coding or after you before you boosting the code or something, and you ask the sub agent to check a security for you. I think something I usually use. Oh, I think it, yeah, we have
All
the live
right.
COTI NFT meeting. So we connect the wallet.
MetaMask. Okay. It actually even allows you to connect to MetaMask like right here at the preview.
Yeah, we
Damn.
do that, and I will try to upload the image. I will use the Binata. So Binata is a Web3 storage. When you upload the image, it will give you the IP address. So I will try to find that. Let's see.
So
We
right now you're turning picture files into NFTs, is it?
I will turn the image into the IPFS. So
Okay.
it will store the image into decentralized storage.
Okay.
In this case, I use Binata.
Okay.
So
So right now we're turning image into uh,
IPFS.
which is decentralized storage.
Yes,
Okay.
a lot of my file.
All right. Who's that? Who's that handsome fella?
Yeah, you can see image of PNG, upload it,
All
and
right.
when you upload the image, you will have this idea that it could be on the blockchain forever.
Okay. Okay. This is already in the. Is it? It's already in the blockchain. Is it? This one.
Yes, it's
Okay. So once it's in the blockchain, it cannot be removed. Could it?
basically there.
Oh. Okay.
You can copy that link and
Oh, this is like
you
okay. So this is even
you can
more
idea that.
permanent. This is more permanent than any of the private entity. Like like for example, if you upload um, video or pictures on into a social media platform, you can still remove it. But like this one doesn't remove anything. It's like once it goes up there, it stays there
Yeah, that would mean NFT. Oh,
forever.
and you've had two options: it's mean NFT from myself or mean for another address. But I will try to
Okay,
for myself first. And I think yeah, it work
it
perfectly.
works.
Yeah, I think the link is not working, but
Wait, oh, okay, but it says NFT minted successfully. That means it works, right?
yeah, I will check on the yeah September. Yeah, we have to mean.
Okay,
Let me see.
so it's this is already connected to Supabase, is it?
No,
Not
haven't
yet.
there. We
Oh,
on
okay.
we on the step two, the front end thing.
Okay, we're on step two. All right. Okay, we're on the front end. All
You
right.
can see we have a token, a COTI.
Okay.
This, and we can see on the token NFT. Yeah, and it is there is we have a beautiful image here.
Ah, beautiful.
Forever on chain.
Yes.
We cannot remove it. We have the NFT.
Nice.
And now let's go to the final step. Go to the whimsical to make sure we go to the right direction. Where is the whimsical?
So now we on to step three, which is the final step, is it? So
Yes.
we're going
Let's
to
go up.
okay.
We need this. If we need some smart contract
Okay.
with the level bro, we have
All
the
right.
front end to interact it with. We have
Okay, so the
we have the
second part is basically lovable connecting it to Supabase. Then now we work on Supabase afterwards.
uh step two is building the front end that connect with the blockchain. So
Okay.
the user can go to the front end, minting the NFT.
Okay.
Okay, and now we log all the NFT into the database.
Mm,
So now I will ask for final step. Uh, no, great. I want to say thank you to people, and then I want to log all the NFT information to Supabase database when it is minted. Mhm. So it's the first step, and then create uh, NFT showcase tab page. Show all the NFT and you want to fetch from database. Simply. Mm, yeah, that's it. I, so it's the final step.
all right. The final step. Okay, so okay, can you walk me through what you just did there up there?
Yeah,
So you did the final step where you connect Supabase to Lovable.
correct. And
Okay.
you can see now is ask me to create a super base database for NFT and as looking to me then
Mhm.
do a super base. And it creates a SQL for me. Uh, this is SQL for create NFT
Mhm.
database to store minted NFT information. So basically, when I writing it, it will take a lot of time. And you
Okay.
ask me to
Oh yeah,
enable more
definitely,
security
definitely,
to bring
definitely.
a lot of it.
Yeah.
But now I just need to go to approve,
Okay.
and it created a database for me.
Wow.
You can see on here on the, I think it's on the database. Yeah, I'm on the table. Yeah, it's create a table for me.
Okay.
We will come back to here to see G conversion. We have nine column. No data there. Yeah. Yeah, what it should do is create a table for me with the ID, token ID, contract address, owner address, metadata, URI,
Mhm.
token has, minted at, created at, and updated at.
Ah, okay. So they actually like separate in columns and rows.
Yep, but I haven't do it manually. It's wire
Mm.
SQL for me, and I just need to approve. And it links to this project, so they know what's the format, what's the table needed for this project, and right for me. And
Mm.
now is go uh, to create a new page
Yep.
for NFT showcase. So that's what I'm asking them to do. So with NFT showcase, it will load all the NFT.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And we're still waiting.
Oh, I run out of credit.
Oh no. Wait, you need to upgrade before you can move on?
Yeah, no, I had a better solution. So basically, when I run out of credit, I just close the code and start continue with the argument. So
Okay.
you can do it by go to GitHub, you connect with the GitHub account,
Okay.
and connect with it. Connect to like confirm transfer eBay.
What is this? What is transfer to Wasync?
It will two way is firstly it will create um a new project for me on the GitHub my GitHub account. So that
Okay.
whenever I change codes on the deliverable, it will operate on this. So we have currently we have here.
Okay.
I will clone and cd new code class code dot. I don't know. I just reinstall it and
Mm-hmm.
open and I haven't enabled the new folder. Yeah, go to open this open. Yes, we have code on local now. Let's make it to continue. So, oh, I think we finished. I think we don't need to.
Oh,
Let me testing. Let me testing. I think we have enough credit. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, let do it. Let do
All
it.
right. That's
First,
fantastic. Right, let's test it.
when we go to NFT Showcase, currently we don't have any NFT
Okay.
logging because we just created a database. Now we mean NFT. Let me take back to this one. I will paste the link again. New the NFT. Confirm. No.
This is the NFT with the COTI logo, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I haven't changed anything.
Okay,
So
great.
when come to this, yeah, it's show. Yeah, we have NFT.
Yay.
And this NFT is logging on this database if it correctly. Let me see. Go to database. Uh, zoom out, zoom out. It's too big for me. And
Uh-huh.
go to, let's see, table editor. No. NFT. Yeah, yeah. We had it. We have the ID, the token ID, control
Okay.
owner address, metadata URI, transaction hardware,
Uh,
and created an.
so this is the data. This is the database.
Yes,
The
everything.
backend. Okay.
Whenever user min NFT, it will log into Supabase database.
Okay.
You can show you can see all NFT of all user on the NFT showcase tab.
Mm-hmm.
We have two tabs. One needs I publish it so you can test it too. Publish. Okay, yeah, great thing for publishing. It's so lucky. You don't need to pay. Trying to
Correct.
so Lovable give us some free credits every day. So it
All
reaches
right.
on the midnight.
Uh-huh.
So,
So
uh,
we could stay for another 2 hours.
and we continue.
Continue.
It's,
Um,
so
just out
yeah.
of curiosity, I mean, for NFTs, you mean that you see a lot of pictures that's NFTs. I'm just wondering, like, could you do that with videos as well?
Cannot do it. And it's yeah, you we have some storage with decentralized storage that allow you to overview, but currently with Pinata, I think
Mm-hmm.
they have image.
No, I'm just talking like in general, like maybe in the future, because you know that MFT you can trade image NFT when so a lot of pictures NFT pictures has a lot of value. So I was just wondering like if it applies the same thing with videos if we can NFTs make the video into NFTs.
Yeah, I see some brothers doing that, but I don't remember the name. It is not super.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Ficon is Ficon. Yeah, Ficon had decentralized storage, and then I think they had video too.
Filecoin.
Ficon, yeah, those,
Okay.
but it's just as that. Yeah. Oh, we can ask the AI to search for us.
Yeah.
Why we don't need to do it manually?
Yeah.
So let's say I want to upload video, any platform that allow uploads video to decentralized storage to data allowance. Uh, oh, Pinata
Mm.
Pinata allowed to upload video.
Okay, so probably I think the next NFTs could be video format. Who
Mm,
knows?
user can upload file.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, but I don't know what it will be showing because
Yeah.
currently we are show the NFT image on this stuff you can see.
All right. Okay.
We can try to we try to create a new image using Nano Banana.
Nano banana. Ah, yeah, of course. Using that one is
Let's see. Um, what I want to create a new uh, robot robot with kid. Yes, okay. Yes, I think that is 1:1 ratio. Yeah, we want it to be one one.
1:1 ratio. Okay, you need to specify.
Yeah, so 1:1 ratio will be best display
Okay.
for this
Okay, will be best display for NFTs. Okay.
creator. You can see all NFT here is
Yep.
displayed in 1:1 ratio. And
Ah.
to Okay,
Okay.
load it. I go to yeah, I want
So we go back to the same database and we upload this, and then it gets stored into the backend of Supabase.
yeah. Now we upload, download, we file yeah this image and give it a name. Let's say kit.png
Okay.
and then uploading. We
Yep.
have this image. Yeah, we copy that link.
And
Um,
then we store it to Supabase.
and we will
No.
be using it, and it will be automatically logged in Superbike.
Oh,
So we don't do it like manually.
so how do you store the link?
We have the link
Yep.
now.
Oh, we stored it into this.
Now we will
Okay.
minting the NFT.
Okay, we mint the NFT and then it automatically stores, right?
So when we mint the NFT, it's
Uh,
going on chain, but we
okay.
log that data on our database.
Okay.
So we mint the NFT,
All right.
confirm,
Yep.
and confirming. Yes, we mint successfully. And now when we go to the NFT showcase,
Yep.
we see that. But I want to show the image
Mm-hmm.
now. The link, the link is good. The link we can see the link, but yeah,
Nice.
but you have to click on that to see the
Mm.
image. Now I will. I don't know if I don't have enough credit.
You don't have enough credit to give it more fun more
Now,
prompt.
um,
Okay.
it's great, but uh, but in NFT, so okay, instead of uh, just show the link, the metadata link, can you show the picture? The picture is the picture is the picture link.
Oh, so the metadata you want it to be a picture instead of link, correct?
It's about
Both. Okay, so there's link and then there's like a mini picture next to it.
yeah,
Okay.
it had it have a little bit wrong with the link. But,
All
no,
right.
yeah, it's finished.
Nice.
Correct.
Nice.
Now we publish again and publish update the new
Yep.
feature which it do. Waiting for it to deploy and updating.
Ah.
After you finish code, it shows a preview. So you
Okay.
need to publish every time and updating to its work on the domain.
Mm.
Go to this link. Yeah, it updated. You go to NFT Showcase,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see the image,
Yep.
also the transition, and the button with view COTI scan. Yeah, it had animation
Nice.
too. Major hover. So I think that is we cover a lot of things today.
Yes.
We
It's
create a
very insightful.
smart contract on with the minting NFT, Winterable NFT on COTI, start deploying it, and then create a front end with Liverpool, and
Yep.
we connect with Supabase to log all the NFT information into database.
Yep.
And we have two route here. One is the COTI logo, and one is the kit robot.
Yay. It's yeah. That's is that all
Mhm,
for today, Henry?
mhm.
All right. Okay. So, yeah, how do you guys find that? That brings us to the end of today's vibe coding session. Big thank you to Henry for leading us today through this live build, and thank you guys, especially Jordan, who asked during the live stream. It was very engaging. Thank you. And we hope to see you again with our next session, which is going to be on the 25th, same time. Um, yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to COTI Foundation YouTube channel. And of course, share this with your friends. And yeah, keep the conversation going. Please text us on um, Telegram, Discord, or X using the hashtag StayCaughty. And on behalf of the team, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again next session. Have a great night. Stay Caughty.